Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video gonna be super interesting. I think it will be a lazy winter evening. So today's vlog is gonna be about a serene and beautiful evening story. A moment where I give time to myself and lost myself in the embrace of nature. As the crisp air of autumn wraps around us, nature transforms into a canvas of gold, amber, and rust. Today, I'm taking you to a place where the season truly comes alive, the Valentines Park. This blog is a journey of slowing down, reconnecting with nature, and finding those quiet moments that reminds you to breathe and just be. So grab a warm drink and let's explore the magic of autumn together. Autumn unveils its golden magic, and what better place to embrace the season than Valentine's Park, tucked away in this heart of East London. This sprawling 136-acre oasis is a treasure trove for anyone seeking serenity amidst nature. As you step inside, you are greeted by the crunch of fallen leaves beneath your feet and a kaleidoscope of warm amber hues overhead. The ancient trees here stand tall, their branches adorned with the fairy shades of the season. Take a moment to stroll around the ornamental garden. Even in autumn, their charm persists with rushes of color lining in the flower beds. And of course, the iconic Valentines Mansion is nearby, a historical gem surrounding by the tranquil gardens and the calm waters. The boating lake reflects the seasons between beauty like a painting come to life. Pause here to watch ducks gliding peacefully or find a quiet bench to sit and lose yourself in the rhythm of rippling water. Valentines Park also offers hidden gems like its walled garden, a perfect spot to breathe deeply and absorb the charming energy of nature. Whether you are wandering through the open space, capturing moments with your camera, or simply enjoying a thermos of tea under a canopy of autumn leaves, this park is the ideal retreat for some me time. So, this autumn, let Valentine's Park be your escape where the beauty of the season meets the peaceful embrace of nature. Now, I'm share with you guys some information about the Valentine's Park. The park history dates back 17th century with the iconic Valentine's Mansion and gardens at its center. Built in 1696, the mansion served as a family home for wealthy city merchants and it's now open to the public hosting exhibitions, workshops, and private events. Its beautifully restored interiors and stunning gardens are a treat for history and photographs alike. One of the highlighted of the park is its serene boating lake, where visitors can hire paddle boats and enjoy a relaxing time on the water. Surrounding the lake, you will find lush greenery, making it a great spot for picnics or simply unwinding in nature. The formal gardens are another gem of Valentine's Park, with their well managed flower bed and vibrant displays changing with the seasons. Don't miss the Rose Garden, a romantic haven that blooms spectacularly during summer, perfect for a quiet stroll or a romantic moment. For families, the park offers a fantastic children play area, complete with the swing, slides, and climbing frames. Sports can take adventures of the tennis courts, basketball courts, and open spaces for football and cricket. And also, Valentine's Park having a wildlife with numerous species of birds, butterflies, and even some exotic plants. The park's rich biodiversity makes it a favorite of nature lovers and the bird watchers. Throughout the year, Valentine's Park hosts a variety of community events, from outdoor cinema screenings to cultural festivals. It's more than just a green space, it's a hub for locals to connect, celebrate, and unwind. Whether you are here for a leisurely walk, a family day out, or a moment of peace in nature, Valentine's Park offers you something for everyone. So next time you are in East London, make sure to visit this hidden gem, a true oasis in this city. As the sun sets over Valentine's Park, the golden light wraps everything in a soft, peaceful glow. It's moments like this that remind me how important it is to slow down and soak in the simple beauty of nature. The gentle of leaves, the calm ripple of the lake, and the distant laughter of families create a symphony of serenity. This park truly feels like a retreat from the everyday hustle, a place where time seems to move a little slower. Thank you for joining me this lazy evening. Whether you are planning a visit to Valentine's Park or simply looking for a moment to calm in your day, I hope this inspires you to find your own slice of tranquility. Until next time, take care, stay present, and enjoy life's little moments. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.